Hello, hello, my people. What is going on? Happy Saturday. Hope everybody is having a great weekend. Before I get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is LashawnTerry. Welcome to the Rich Gang. Have a seat, look around, click that subscribe button if you're not, that notification bell so you know when I upload, which is getting better. And you can see, what I'm talking about. I do have playlists, so if you want to get to a certain point or only interested in a certain thing, just go through my playlist and it's all separated. So y'all see my Hufflepuff up here. I did a video on this already. It's a love, love, love. I don't know. I think I only had this stuff for about a week. And you see how I done put a dent in it. For real. Yeah, this stuff is so good. They need to make a body oil for this, for real. So I ordered from a perfume house that's a fragrance house that's actually a dupe fragrance house. But before we get into that, and let me get it out the box, let's catch this intro. Okay, so the name of this fragrance house is called Dapper Fragrances. And I thought I had cut the tape. Hold on. So this is how it was packaged. It comes with a thank you card. Join the Dapper family thank you card. You don't have to be rich to smell like $1,000,000. I know that's right. And I only ordered 2 for now. I remember. I know what one I ordered, but I forgot what the second one was. So they sent me some samples, which is nice. So yes, they are a dupe house. And they sell all different types of stuff. They sell men's fragrance, women's fragrance, regular line, this line, butters, oils, perfumes, all different sizes. If there is a perfume out there that you want to try and you don't want to pay the money for it, you can go look on Dapper to see if they offer the dupe for it. So this that they sent me a free sample of is corporate to the somebody. It's a Mula double caramel. I don't know what this is. I don't got my glasses on. Blueberry Goddess. This one says Blueberry Goddess. I'm sitting up here holding it down like you can see it over here. Blueberry Goddess, this one. Smells okay. I don't want to spray anything. And then this one is Mula double caramel. I don't know who makes Mula. The other one says Burberry Goddess, so that would be Burberry. And I'm not spraying that. So these are the 2 that I got. And one of them is the Hufflepuff dupe. Now, one of the fragrance girls got up on here, got up on these people's internet and said that Dapper has the best Hufflepuff dupe. So actually, I ordered 2 fragrances from the line of Sillage, and it's Sillage, not Sillage. Sillage. That's how I hear people say it. But I ordered Minnie Mouse because the notes for that I loved, and of course Hufflepuff. and I ordered them in the 15 milliliters. They offer 5 ml all the way to 50 ml, and then they have a 1/3 ounce pure oil roller baller, and then they have a 20 ml refillable gold travel sprayer. So I ordered a 15 ml. So the 15 ml was $25. And they said compared to the aroma of Hufflepuff, top notes are Italian lemon, coconut, and peach. Middle notes are gardenia, freesia, and jasmine sambic. Base notes are bourbon, vanilla, vanilla bean, and Virginia cedar. Let me go look for this other one, House of Sillage. Okay, on House of Sillage, the notes are, the top note is Italian lemon, peach pulp, coconut cream accord. The heart note is sambic, jasmine, white freesia, gardenia, and the base is vanilla bourbon, Virginia cedar, and vanilla beans absolute. So those are the descriptions. House of Sillage, Hufflepuff, with tax, it ran me $377. Yeah. Dapper, Hufflepuff, $25. So let's see. Child. I know you lying. Wait a minute. Because I know. Y'all, wait a minute. I'm trying to see if I'm getting the same notes. I think on spray, I was getting the Hufflepuff. They're definitely close. It seems like on Dapper, Hufflepuff, on first, on the quick spray, you smell it really good, and then it kind of dies down. Where on House of Sillage, it's still it's there. It's definitely there. Let me see. Like when you first spray this, you get the alcohol. You get a lot of the alcohol on first spray. Okay, on Hufflepuff, I am getting that peach in the top note, just like it says. I'm definitely getting that sweetness and that peach on the Dapper. On the House of Sillage, I'm probably smells like I'm getting more of the heart on the first once it dries down to the middle note real quick. I'm getting more of the florals, the heart notes in this. But I do know on Hufflepuff, House of Sillage, the dry down to the vanilla bourbon, vanilla beans absolute is very nice. That's how it dries down on me. And it hugs closer to the skin. And then on Dapper, I'm getting now. What am I getting on Dapper? It's starting to fade into more of the middle note, which is the gardenia, freesia, and jasmine. But we're going to see how these dry down. I also have another one coming from another fragrance house. It's not necessarily a dupe, but it's their own take on House of Sillage Hufflepuff. And so now we're going to smell Minnie Mouse, because that was another one that was really nice, gourmand smelling. And I wasn't about to pay, I'm not paying another $370 for another bottle of perfume. Not no time soon. So again, this is a 15 ml for $25. And the notes, the top notes in Minnie Mouse is marshmallow and whipped cream. Middle notes are raspberry, caramel, and coconut. And the base notes are vanilla, musk, and cedar. So that is on Minnie Mouse. So let's see. I don't have Hufflepuff House of Sillage Minnie Mouse, so I can't compare. But ooh, child, that smells so good. Right on the spray, once the alcohol evaporates, I'm getting that raspberry more so than the marshmallow and whipped cream. It jumps straight to the raspberry for me. It has a chemically like undertone though. I can't put my hand on it. Kind of like the same undertone I was smelling from some of the House of Glory perfumes. I'm not getting much marshmallows or whipped cream. I'm getting raspberry. I'm not getting caramel either. Yeah, right off the whiff of the alcohol. Maybe you gotta let it sit for a little bit. I don't know. I have to come back to y'all on this one. Yeah, with the as soon as I get it, the raspberry is like hit me in the nose, and it's nice, but it seemed like after that I'm getting this weird type of undertone to it. I don't know if it's like a chemically smell undertone. But yeah, I'm not getting any marshmallow, whipped cream. I'm getting the raspberry. Maybe musk. We're gonna see how this doing to dry down, and then I'll come back and let you know what it is on the dry down and what I'm smelling on these. But I will say the Dapper Hufflepuff is very similar, a very similar smell. So if you don't want to pay the $360 plus tax, try Dapper. And again, I'll be coming with another one from another fragrance house that has a similar. They put their spin on it themselves to make a similar Hufflepuff. So we'll see. But I'll come back to you on this, how this dries down, and the final smell that I'm getting from both of these fragrances from Dapper. So stay tuned. I'll be right back.